Ever looked at your credit score and thought, what in the world is going on here? You're not alone. Millions of people are perplexed by the numbers on their credit report. But what happens when you need to talk to the people behind those numbers? Transunion, the credit bureau that holds a piece of your financial puzzle. So, let's dive in and figure out how to get in touch with them. Your credit score is like a report card for your financial life. It's a number that lenders use to determine whether you're a good risk for a loan. And Transunion is one of the 3 major credit bureaus that collects and reports information about your credit history. So, it's pretty important. Now, you might be thinking, why would I ever need to contact Transunion? Well, there are a few reasons. Maybe you found an error on your credit report and you need to dispute it. Or perhaps you're locked out of your online account and need to reset your password. Or maybe, just maybe, you're planning a major purchase and want to know what your credit score looks like. Whatever the reason, knowing how to contact Transunion is essential. Contact methods. Let's talk about your options. Option 1, online. The easiest way to get in touch with Transunion is through their website. They have a user-friendly platform where you can access your credit report, dispute errors, and even place a credit freeze. It's like having a personal credit assistant right at your fingertips. Now, I know what you're thinking. What if I can't find the answer online? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Option 2, phone. Sometimes, talking to a real person is the best way to get things done. Transunion has a customer service line that you can call. Be prepared to wait on hold, though. It can get busy, especially during peak hours. Option 3, mail. If you're old school, or if you prefer to handle things in writing, you can send a letter to Transunion. This is usually the slowest method, but it's an option if you need to send physical documents or if you're dealing with a complex issue. Here are some tips to make your interaction with Transunion as smooth as possible. Be prepared, gather all the necessary information before you contact them, such as your social security number, account numbers, and any relevant documentation. Be polite, customer service representatives are people too. Treat them with respect and you're more likely to get the help you need. Be persistent. If you don't get the results you want on the first try, don't give up. Keep following up until the issue is resolved. Dispute process. If you find an error on your credit report, it's important to dispute it promptly. Transunion has a specific process for this, and it's essential to follow the steps carefully. Credit freeze and lift. Want to protect yourself from identity theft? Consider placing a credit freeze on your account. This prevents new creditors from accessing your report. When you're ready to apply for credit, you can lift the freeze temporarily. Dealing with credit can be confusing, but understanding how to contact Transunion is a crucial step in managing your financial health. Remember, you have rights as a consumer, and Transunion is there to assist you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.